Hi friends, Cold Chance here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are at Arambal Beach in Goa, India at sunset, and it is really quite something. I've been to a lot of beaches and I've never seen a yak walking along the beach. So there's a few Indian boys walking a yak. It's quite beautiful here, about a week in India, and sunset on the beach. Not a bad way to wrap the day up. So go ahead and come to standing. Spread the mat so that it's lengthwise facing the camera. Close your eyes and imagine that you could transport yourself here with me for a moment. And I'll just let you know what I'm feeling and see if you can help that. That can allow you to have this visualization with me. Spread your toes wide. You dig your toes into the sand. Lift the kneecaps up, lift the belly in and up. And roll the shoulders back, heart open. And feel the wind on your skin. Blowing the clothes on your body, rustling your hair. Listening to the sounds of the Arabian Sea. Come to the shore and back out again. And let this scene bring you a sense of peace, sense of serenity. And allow your breath to deepen. And let that wind blow away the thoughts that are creeping in as they do. Just keep coming back to the breath. We'll begin to move with breath. Bringing hands to heart center. Begin to open the eyes or just keep them closed and listen to my voice. Fully exhale. Inhale, lift the arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands, heart center. Inhale, tee the arms wide, bring heart forward, gaze up. Exhale, bend the knees and the hips back, fingertips touch out in front. Inhale, keep the chair pose as you open up the arms, heart forward. And exhale, straighten the legs, pour forward. Inhale, halfway lift, find length from tail to crown, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, push the ground away as you lift up. Hands to heart center. Again, inhale, tee the arms, heart forward. Exhale, fingertips meet as you sit down in the chair. Drop the gaze. Inhale, open the heart, cactus the arms, and pour forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. And hands to heart center. Let's open the stance wide. Have the toes going out, the heels coming in. Sink the hips low. Bring the arms into cactus arms here, sinking the hips low. Let's bring the right arm over the left arm. Wrap the hands, backs of the palms or the palms. Squeezing in with the arms. Maybe sashaying side to side. Weight into one knee and then the other. Finding a little bit of movement allows you to quit thinking about the burn. And inhale, straighten the legs, arms up. And exhale, sink back down, hands to heart center. Open the hands wide. This time, left arm over right, eagle arms. Same thing, really squeezing in the arms. Moving back and forth from leg to leg. Deep, slow breath, pulling belly in and up. Unwind the arms, hands up, gaze up. And hands to heart center. So let's do warrior two towards the right foot. Sinking the hips low. Turning the back foot in just a smidge. Checking in with the knee, that it's not coming in, that it's in line with the toes. Flip the front palm. Inhale, reverse warrior, reaching back. Keeping the bend in the front leg. Begin to straighten the front leg as you move the torso forward. Triangle pose. Hand can come to the shin, can come to the ground or a block. Pushing equally into both feet. Reaching in opposite directions. Turn the heart up towards the sky just a little bit more. Shoulders together on the back. Next inhale, as if someone's pulling the top fingers, bring the torso up, sink into warrior two. Maybe sink a little lower than the first one. Inhale, straighten the right leg, hands come up, turn the toes back forward, star pose. And exhale, warrior two towards the left. So noticing the difference on both sides. Most likely they are not the same, and that is completely normal. Check in with the front knee. Sink the hips low, pull belly in and up. Inhale, reverse, reach back, leaving the bend in the front leg. And then straighten the front leg. We'll come into triangle pose. Reaching forward as far as you can, and then bringing the hand to the shin, the block, or the mat. Gazing up. Be sure you have at least a slight bend in the front leg so we're not hyperextending. And next, inhale as if you're being pulled up by your fingertips. Sink low. Warrior two. Inhale back towards center, star pose. And exhale, hands to heart center. Hands to the hips. Slight bend in the knees as you pour forward. Forward fold. Toes can come in just a little bit. Hands in between the feet. Drop the crown of the head. Breathing here. Shoulders away from the ears. Begin to walk the hands over towards the right side. Pulling the torso in towards the leg. You can stay right here. Take that top arm and bring it up into a twist. Belly in and up. Pressing evenly into both feet, even here. And exhale, come through center and we'll switch sides. So coming all the way over towards the left leg, pulling torso in, either staying here or lifting the left arm. And coming back towards center. Plant the hands. Start to bring the feet in. We're going to take yogi squat. So the feet are a little more than hips distance apart. Bring the hips down. Hands together at heart center, pressing the knees out. Closing the eyes. Just getting an opening in the hips here. Plant the hands, hips high. Crown of the head comes down towards the ground. Grab opposite elbows. Bend one leg and then the other, swaying side to side. Drop the hands, bend the knees so the torso comes onto the thighs, and we're going to slowly press into the ground as the torso lifts and hangs heavy. So take several rounds of breath. Allow yourself to find your way up towards a standing pose. The head finally comes up on top of the spine. Bring the feet together. Inhale, lift the arms up, lift the right knee up. Take the left hand to the right knee as we twist open towards the right. It's a beach dad. So with this back arm, if you can really think about pressing into a wall, as if there was a wall there, that'll help to twist the torso open. Inhale, coming back to center. We'll move into tree pose from here. So either just place the foot on the calf or down on the ground, or you can use your hand and bring it up into the thigh. Pressing more so on the pinky edge side, pulling belly in. One more inhale here. Release down, and we'll switch sides. Inhale, lift up, left knee comes up. Take the right hand to the outside of the left knee as you twist open towards the left. Pull the belly in with the back hand as if you're pushing into a wall. Allow that to let you twist open even more. Inhale back to center. Moving into tree pose, whatever variation you'd like. A little more of a challenge on the sand. Pull the belly in. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. And coming back to standing. Bring the hands back to the center. So just the way that we started. Just do that opening little sequence again here to close. Inhaling, teen the arms, open the heart, gaze up. Exhale, sink the hips low, bring fingers to touch, gaze comes down. Inhale, stay in the chair as you cactus the arms, gaze up. And exhale, straighten the legs, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, find length, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, push and lift all the way up. And hands to heart center. Release the arms. Maybe separate the feet just slightly. Close the eyes. And again, come back to that steady breath at the beginning of this sequence. Come back with me to the beach in Goa, in India, with the beach dads and the yaks and the sunset. Feeling the wind on the skin, the sand on the toes, the sound of the Arabian Sea. Hands come to heart center. Take an inhale together. Full exhale. Thumbs to the third eye. Seat of our inner wisdom. Thank you so much for joining me today. We bow forward and say, Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me and Antonio and I at Yoga Tribe and traveling and yoga-ing around the world with us. Check out my website, colchanceyoga.com. I have some really exciting retreats and journeys coming up, and I would love to practice and explore with you live. Thank you so much. Till next time.